Welcome to the Tarver.
Okay, so I want to apologize for the last 8 vlogs. Anytime I was doing this with the camera, you could hear that. I'm sorry about that. I put an attachment on my camera so that I could loop it around my wrist, and then I never looped it around my wrist, and then I didn't get to the video edits much, like 7 or 8 days of recordings, and so that clickiness is on it anytime I'm moving that I don't have it on my wrist. I'm sorry. It's annoying, and I hate it more than anyone else, and I sincerely apologize. Please forgive me. If you stayed with me through the clicky ones to these, I promise no more clickiness. That's my promise to you. Let's go. Yay! Good job, Ez.
It's getting closer.
Okay, you don't have to push the door. May I have a hug?
Daddy.
I bit your hair. Tell us a story about why we purchased these shorts so short for me.
Because last year your legs were in better shape and they were dark.
Really? Really? That had to be said? My lie, I'd rather not do this. I'm literally only filming because they just told me I need to film this. And now I'm sitting here.
Get in the pool. Get in the pool with your daughter.
As soon as I get in the pool, they're gonna cancel it.
Just go get in the pool. Go get in the pool. Dad, it stopped raining. Go. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, I always go to Chili's, but I want
Chili's. I am talking. He's trying to instruct me to talk. He thinks he's Mr. Videographer of the Year. Yeah, I am talking. I am. Hello, reporting live from the pool. Here we are. Oh, Ez out there. She's getting her swim lessons.
So Tyler is swimming with Ezra in the pool, and he left his camera with me, looking at baby Vivi, and I'm not in the pool. Everybody else is in the pool. See, Amanda could be in the pool, Titus, Ezra, everybody's in the pool but me. Ezra's chilling on Tyler's back. Isabel's over there messing around with Titus. Adley's swimming around with Bridget, and I'm all alone. Me and her got this on lockdown. Sorry, I had to waste your film, Tyler. I really want to go dive, just because there's lots of no diving signs. And I'm getting lots of weird looks from people who see me filming. Like this dude in the blue shirt, he's totally looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? Lots of the moms are staring at me too. So I'm gonna put the camera away, even though I really enjoy talking on the camera. And that's gotta be why Tyler likes it, because it's actually fun narrating what's going on, even when there's nothing going on. See, even Vivi likes you, don't you? Okay, I lied, she doesn't like it. I'm gonna take those tears as it's not going well.
Come on, let's go, guys.
I'm driving. And I'm literally about 25.
Had to cut it short. Thunder. As a grand thunder.